Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I will show you how to create a freeze frame clone trail effect on your mobile phone using free app. Open Capcut. Start a new project, then import your footage. For best result possible, use a clip that was shot locked on tripod. You need to duplicate your clip. Click on your clip. Scroll the tool wheel, find and hit copy. Hit overlay. Then click the second clip. Find and hit overlay again. Now you can reposition it right on top of your original clip. Activate Remove Background tool. The app will calculate every frame of your footage to remove background.
A few moments later.
Once it goes past 100%, now we can make the very first clone. Place your playhead where you want it. Find and click Freeze. It will then freeze your footage from that moment. It also chops your clip to 3 parts. Remove the first and third parts, extend the second part backwards. Find the moment where subject meets a clone. Then cut the clip right there. Hit split to cut the clip. And remove everything on the right. Here is the result. Now do that again and again for second clone, third clone and so on. I will do that again. Pick the original clip. Make a copy. Hit overlay. Pick your clip again and then click overlay. Place your clip on the third layer of your timeline. Now remove background. Find a good moment and then freeze the video. Do that over and over again until your timeline looks like this. Every cut shown here are when your subject meets their clones. Export your project by clicking this button on the top right of your screen. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.